Hey guys, I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy J6 versus a Samsung Galaxy A7 2016. And J6 comes with a Exynos 7870 processor with a 3GB RAM, and A7 comes with a Exynos 7580 processor with a 3GB RAM, and it is a 3-year-old phone as well as the processor. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see who is faster. Their logo came first on the J6, and this video is also sponsored by Apple Mobile Shop. They have this message: this shop will be very good to buy new and used phones as well. Let's see who is faster there. And J6 is having a latest Samsung mid-range phone, best Samsung mid-range phone in 2018, but the J6 Plus upgrade version of the J6 is very bad. And you can see A7 2016 is faster than the J6. That is a very good sign for the A7 2016 user. Everything is closed up in the background like always. So first is the phone dialer, and faster on the A7 2016 because it has a more snappy animation launching the settings, and faster on the A7 2016. So let's launching the calendar application. I think yes, launching the calendar. Here we go. And faster on the A7 2016. That's a very snappy animation in 6.0.1 marshmallow, and you can see that was about the same on both phones. So let's launching some games application, and first is the Subway Surfer. Here we go. And J6 comes with a new aspect ratio 18:5:9. Let's see who is faster there, and both phones are is looking same performance I think in this game. Let's see who is faster there. And you can see Samsung Galaxy J6 is faster than the A7 2016 when it comes of game loading time. So let's launching the another game. Not much a difference between a A7 2016 versus the J6. Launching the Candy Crush and launching at the same time, and you can see the A7 2016 is having a old aspect ratio with a front fingerprint scanner there. And you can see J6 is faster, and A7 2016 is also right behind. Let's launching the another game, that Temple Run 2. After I am see the RAM measurement, what is the difference between a A7 2016 versus a J6 in a RAM measurement, because both phones comes with a 3GB RAM. Let's see who is faster in this game application. And J6 is faster because it has a more powerful processor than the A7 2016, and it is a new phone, and it is a 2-year-old phone. Yes. And last opening up the application that is called as the camera, the basic application, launching the camera. And faster on the J6 with a new Samsung Experience UI. So let's launching the internet browser on both phone, Google Chrome versus a Samsung internet browser. I show you guys what is the speed and what is the difference in a internet browser. I have launched the internet browser, and first is the wikipedia.org. And Samsung Galaxy J6 is faster, and you can see looks very smooth. And A7 2016 is also right behind, and you can see it looks very smooth. Same thing with zooming in or out. Let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. 3GB RAM on the A7 and 3GB RAM on the J6. Let's see who is awesome in a RAM management, and both ones are is looking great. And that got refresh on the J6, and then this second refresh game on the J6, Subway Surfer, that got also refresh on the J6. I know Samsung, I hope that Samsung will improve the optimization in their application after some updates, I hope. But the RAM management is very good on the A7 2016. But guys, you know that A7 2016 is having a 3-year-old phone, and you can see J6 is very bad in a RAM management performance. That's the internet browser. Overall, I have to say the app's opening speed it is faster on the J6 because it has a more powerful processor than the A7 2016. I am show you what is the difference between a Exynos 7580 in A7 2016 versus a Exynos 7870 in a J6 2018. And RAM management is absolutely incredible on the A7 2016, but J6 needs some more optimization. And thank you so much for watching this speed test. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.